Of course, every time you looked in the mirror, you were frustrated because you started to look older than what you were. From everything that I saw, he was the right person to do the job. The results couldn't be any better than what I expected, actually way beyond what I expected. The procedure went fabulous. It could not have gone any better. I didn't have any pain. It just starts to grow in stronger and stronger. Each month just gets better and better, and you start to look exactly the way you're expecting yourself to look. He should be put on a pedestal for his type of work that he does, because it's absolutely phenomenal. He does a fabulous job. I would recommend him to anyone whatsoever.
My hair loss affected me just by not feeling as confident when I was going out and meeting new people. I hated not feeling good or wanting to pose for the camera. Procedure was actually pretty easy. It wasn't anything crazy. I went to work that day. I watched movies on TV the whole time. It was about as painless as you can get. My life changed when I got my hair back. The investment was very much so worth it. I would specifically recommend Dr. Bolton to others. He's been great to work with, was really nice during the procedure, and all the staff here has been great. Thank you, Dr. Bolton.
Dr. Bolton's videos. The idea that he said, look, let me just go back there and grab as much hair as I can, and every hair that I grab, I'll put on the top of your head, made a lot of sense to me. Well, you look great, you look great. They don't know what it is, did you? They can't figure it out. But I know the difference. Oh my God, you really have hair. And people are really stunned. They can't believe it. Like, this really worked. You really have hair. Without hesitation. Unequivocal, categorical, absolutely. Dr. Bolton's the only guy I would go to.
First started noticing hair loss about 10 years ago. Well, when you lose your hair, you lose confidence. A lot of bald, a lot of forehead. I saw what he was doing. I was very impressed. That's why I chose Dr. Bolton. It was painless, totally painless, comfortable procedure. My hair coming back gave me confidence. It made me feel a lot younger. Office and staff were very pleasant. They were easy to work with. I'm very pleased with my results, and I highly recommend Dr. Bolton for anyone. I'd say don't even think twice, just do it. Thank you, Dr. Bolton. I appreciate what you've done for me.
I did a lot of research. I did Rogaine. I got my doctor to give me a Propecia. Dr. Bolton felt comfortable. The staff was great. I've never had a single issue having the scar. I don't even know it's there, to be honest. You come in, they accommodate you, you run your files. There's no stress. I actually enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to going into my next procedure. I don't see a benefit in getting FUE. I really don't. I wouldn't waste your time researching anymore online. Come in, get the procedure, and move on with your life. Thank you so much for helping me rid years of insecurities. I can never repay you other than actually paying you for the service. Thank you so much.